everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how we can make this cute chick windsock to celebrate spring. Okay, before we get started, let's make sure you have all the necessary supplies. And each teacher may have included different projects in their packets, so you'll want to look and make sure that you have a large piece of yellow construction paper, 2 strips of orange, a page with 2 wings, an orange square, 2 black squares, and a yellow piece of yarn. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, a glue stick or white glue, and a hole punch. All right, so let's get started. First, you're going to set out your yellow paper and grab your black square. These will be the eyes of your chick. And you're going to want to carefully cut the square into a circle. Okay, you want to do that with both of the black squares. All right, so our chick now has his eyes. Then you'll take the orange square and you will fold it in half to make his beak. All right, and we're just going to set these in place right now to make sure that we have them where we want them before we glue. All right, then you'll take your page of wings and you'll cut out both wings. Oops, there we go. All right, and when we place our wings, we want to make sure that we put the skinny side facing down, okay? All right, next we're going to glue all these into place. So you can choose if you're going to use your glue stick or your white glue. I'm going to use the glue stick just so it dries a little quicker for me. Okay, I'm going to put glue on and flip them over. On the beak, I just want to glue the lower triangle. I don't want to glue both of them. That way his beak will still open and close. Put some glue on there. Okay, let's glue his other wing and flip it over. All right, next I want to give my chick his legs. So I'm going to turn him over and attach the 2 legs at the bottom. Okay, now you want to make sure that you're putting them at the bottom. Let's just double check that his eyes are at the top and his legs are at the bottom, because nobody wants a chick with legs coming out of his head. I'm going to add some glue and attach his leg. All right. So now I'm going to let my chick dry for a little while before I roll him into the windsock, because I don't want his wings to fall off. So we'll give this a few minutes to dry and we'll be back. Okay, my chick's had some time to dry, so it's time to roll him into the windsock. So I'm going to go ahead and turn him over. And we're just going to turn him until we get a cylinder shape. This, all right? It'll look like that. Now you have a couple options here. You can apply glue to the length of the yellow paper. Or if you have a grown-up's help, you can staple it to hold it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and staple mine, but you can choose to use glue if that's what you have at home. All right, next I need to attach my yarn so that he'll be able to hang. So I'm gonna take my hole punch and punch a hole on each side. And attach my yarn. I'm gonna put this through the hole and tie a knot. And then I will feed it through the other hole and tie it as well. And there we have our spring chick windsock. I hope you enjoyed the chick windsock project, and I would love to see how yours turned out if you want to send me a picture.